Good morning. In least square analysis, fourth method, the curve. There are two types. Number one, y equal to a b power x. Second one, y equal to a x power b. Y equal to a x power b. Now, these two formula we have to change into straight line format. For that, this is for equation number 1. We have to take log both sides. In equation 1, take log both sides. Log 10y equal to, this is for log m dot n format, log 10a dot means in log plus the power, it comes down log 10 power b. Let capital Y equal to log 10 power y and capital A equal to log 10 power A and capital B equal to log 10 power B. This is equation number 2. This value substitute in equation number 2. This is for capital Y equal to, this is for log A equal to capital A plus log 10 power b. This is for capital B and this is for small x. This is for equation number 3. Now y equal to a plus bx. This is for straight line format. The maximum power of x 1. We can add sigma x and sigma both sides in equation 3. A and B both are constant. Now to find out these two values, for that we can use the normal equations. For that, first we have to add sigma x both sides in equation 3. A sigma x plus B sigma into x square equal to sigma small x, and this is for capital Y. This is for equation number 4. Next, add sigma both sides. Sigma A you can represent NA plus sigma Bx equal to sigma capital Y. Now to solve equation 4 and 5 to get the A value and B value, and then we have to find out what is the value of small letter a and small letter b. That value substitute in equation 1. For that, capital A equal to log 10 power small a, but in formula required small a equal to anti log of capital A. This is the format of, we can find out the small letter a and small letter b. This is for capital letter B equal to log 10b. Okay, required in formula small b, you can take log outside, that is anti log capital B. These two value substitute in equation 1. Second method in curve, y equal to ax power b. This is for equation number 1. Now, this is for to change into straight line format. For that, we can take log both sides in equation 1. Equation 1, take log both sides. Log 10y equal to log 10a plus the power comes down log 10 power x. Let capital Y equal to log 10 power y and capital A equal to log 10 power small a, and then capital x is equal to 10 power small x. This value substitute in equation 2. This is for to consider as capital Y equal to, this is for capital A plus small b, and this is for capital X. This is the equation number 3. This is for y equal to a plus bx format in straight line format. Now to find out what is the value of capital A and small b, for that we have to use the normal equation. The maximum power of x 1, we have to add sigma capital X comma sigma both sides in equation 3. First we can add the sigma x. In equation 3 we can add the sigma x both sides. A sigma capital X plus small b sigma capital X square equal to sigma capital X and capital Y. This is for equation number 4. And then add sigma both sides in equation 3. Sigma A. Sigma A means we can represent NA plus small b sigma capital X equal to sigma Y. This is for equation number 5. Now to solve these two equation 4 and 5, now to find out what is the value of A and B. Value of A and B. This value, here the capital A, but in formula required small b. For that we have to change into capital A. The formula log 10 power small a, but formula required small a equal to anti-log of capital A. We know the value of small a and small b. These two values substitute in equation 1. This is the format we can find out the given sum in curve form. Thank you. Good morning. First sum in curve method. The population of a country at 10 years intervals is given below. Year is X 1881, 1891, 1901, 1911, 1921, 1931, 1941. Population in millions. This is what considered as Y. 3.9, 5.3, 7.3, 9.6, 12.9, 17.1 and 23.2. To fit a curve of the form y equal to a b power x, using it to estimate the population for in the year of 1951. Now to estimate 1951, what is the population? Now the formula y equal to a b power x. This is for equation number 1. This equation is not in straight line format. First we have to change into straight line format in equation 1. For that, equation 1 multiply or add, multiply both sides log 10y equal to, this is for m dot n, log m dot n means log 10 power a plus the power comes down log 10 power b, 10 power b. Next, let capital Y equal to log of 10y and capital A equal to log of 10 small letter a, and then capital B equal to log of 10 power small b. This value substitute here will get log 10 power y, we can consider as capital Y, equal to log A means capital A plus log 10 power b, we can consider as capital B, and then small x. This is the straight line format equation. This is for equation number 2. Now we have to find out what is the value of A and B. These two for constant value. We have to find out. For that we can use the normal equation. The maximum power x is 1, so we can add sigma x and sigma both sides in equation number 2. First we can add the sigma x in both sides. A sigma x plus b sigma x square equal sigma x and capital Y. This is for equation number 3. Next, add sigma both sides in equation 2. Sigma A means you can represent NA plus B sigma x equal to sigma capital Y. This is for equation number 4. Now to solve equation 3 and 4, we can get the A value and B value. But in formula, required only small a and small b. Now, how to change the capital A into small b as well as capital B change into small b. Here the capital A represent for log 10 power small a. Now to find out small a equal to, we can take log, that's an anti-log capital A. This is the format we can find out the small a. Next, capital B equal to log of power b. Required in formula small b, so we can take log that side, that is anti-log capital B. Now small a and small b substitute in equation 1. given x value in year and y value in number. X value year and y value number. So we cannot multiply these two year with number. For the x value year we can change into number. After that we can multiply these two. For the capital X we can consider small x minus center value of x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 value, the center value 1911 divided by h. H means intervals between two x value. Intervals is 10. Intervals is 10. This is the format for we can find out the capital X. Now the year will be converted into numbers. So in formula it requires y equal to a plus b small x. This is the equation number 2. Here x we can consider as capital X. This is for capital Y. Now in small x we can consider as capital X. Capital Y equal to capital A plus capital B into capital X. This is for equation number 3. Now to substitute sigma x both sides, we can get the A sigma capital X plus B sigma capital X square equal to sigma capital X and capital Y. Okay, this is for equation number 4. And add sigma both sides, we can get the young A plus B sigma x plus equal to sigma y. This is for equation number 5. After change year into number format, require capital X sigma and then capital X square sigma and capital XY. For that we can change the table. This is for X, this is for Y. Requirement capital X is equal to X small x minus 1911 divided by 10. After that require capital X square. Next require sigma. Next capital Y required. The capital Y we can represent capital Y equal to log of small y, and then capital X and capital Y. Now to multiply these two. These are the requirements. Here capital X equal to small x minus 1911 divided by 10. Small x value you can substitute 1881 minus 1911 divided by 10. You can get the result minus 2. This is for 1891 minus 1911 divided by 10. You can get the result minus 2, minus 1, 0. This is for plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. And then x square. Square of this one 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9. Next log, that is capital Y, log of small y, log 3.9. Now log 0.591711. Next log 5.3.6 7243. Next log 7.3, 0.8633. Next 9.6 log 0.9823. Next log 12.9, 1.1106. Next log 17.1, 1.2330. Next log 23.2, we will get 1.3655. Next, to multiply capital X and capital Y, these two, now result minus 1.7733 and minus 1.4486 minus 0.8633, and this is for 0, 1.1106 and 2.4660 and 4.0965. Okay, and then sigma x, you can summation of capital X. Now this is 0 and sigma x square equal to 28 and sigma capital Y equal to 6.8701 and sigma capital X Y equal to 3.5879. Okay, this value substitute in equation 4 and 5. Now to solve these two equation, a sigma x value 0, that is a 0a plus b sigma x square 28b equal to sigma xy 3.5879. This is for equation number 6. And then n means number of terms in x, total 7a plus b sigma x 0b equal to sigma y value 6.8701. This is for equation number 7. Now equation 6 we can write, this is for 0 means, and the remaining terms 28b equal to 3.5879. Now capital B equal to 3.5879 divided by 28. Now divide these two, we can get B value capital B 0.1281, 0.8281, and then equation 7, this is for 0. Now final 7a equal to 6.8701. A required 6.8701 divided by 7. Now to divide these two, we can get the a value 0.9814. This is for capital A. But in formula, equation 1 required small a and small b. The formula capital A equal to log 10a. Okay. Now a equal to anti-log of capital A. A equal to anti-log capital A value 0.9814. Now small a value 9.5808. Next, B, formula capital B equal to log of 10 power small b. Requirement small b equal to anti-log of capital B. Anti-log capital B value 0.1281. We can take the anti-log. Now the value 1.3431. This is for small letter b value. Now the small letter a value and b value substitute in equation 1, a value and b value, a and b value, substitute in equation 1. In equation 1, y equal to ab power x. A value 1.3431 and then b value 1.3431. Here small x in formula capital X is equal to x minus 1911 divided by 10. Here capital X is equal to small x minus 1911 divided by 10. In question to estimate in the year of 1951, we have to substitute the value of x. X value 1951 minus 1911 divided by 10 equal to, now to subtract these two, result 40 divided by 10 equal to 4. Okay, this is for capital X. Okay, this is for capital X. Now to sum to the capital X value 4. Now we can substitute here y equal to 1.3431 and then within bracket A value and B value, substitute in equation 1. Equation 1 formula y equal to a b power x. Here x capital. Okay, a value 9.5808, b value 1.3431 and capital X. This is for y. And then the capital X we can represent 19, x minus 1911 divided by 10. We can substitute here y equal to 9.5808. We can bracket 1.3431 x small x minus 1911 divided by 10 instead of capital X. Okay. Then question given to estimate in the year of 1951 what is the population. This is for x. Now to substitute x here, capital X is equal to x minus 1911 divided by 10. Here the x value 1951 minus 1911 divided by 10. Now to subtract these two, 40 divided by 10. Now capital X is equal to 4. Okay. Here y is equal to 9.5808 and 1.3431. This simplification result 4 equal to 9.5808 into 1.3431 power 4. Now the power of this one 3.251 and then multiply these two, result 31.18. In the year of 1951, 31.18 millions in population. Okay, thank you.